This brand is made in China and can be purchased through their website or Amazon store. The MK06 models are for smaller rooms with a 215 square feet coverage area, and they have aromatherapy pads as well as 3 stages of air filtration. The MK07 model is a 4-stage purifier with a 4-color indicator of the current room air quality. It has a 1,395 square feet coverage area with a 176 CFM delivery rate. The MK08W is a 5-stage purifier with an adjustable fan on top so that you can direct the purified air to any direction that you desire. It is Wi-Fi enabled for control through their app or with voice commands from Alexa and Google. The brand is backed by a good guarantee and the units are very quiet in the sleep mode. This brand receives an overall 5-star top pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.